Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are going to crochet the Quran cover. So for that you can use any type of yarn. I am going to use this blue color yarn and a 3.5 millimeter hook. So first of all we are going to chain. I will tell you how much you have to chain. So chain according to the length of your book. This much you have to chain. So let me chain. I did this chain 35. After that let us do half double crochet. So we will do half double crochet in the back bumps. I will show you as well clearly what are the back bumps using another yarn. So using this yellow yarn I am going to show you what are the back bumps. This is our normal chain, normal single crochet chain. So when you turn it, this over here, this chain over here that is joining these two chains is your back bump. This, these in the middle are your back bumps. So you have to single crochet into them. I will show you how. So this is your normal chain, this is your normal chain. Now turn your work. You have to half double crochet in them. Take your yarn and insert your hook through these center parts like this, and then do your half double crochet like this. And this is another back bump, not the chain, this bump, this is your back bump. So do your half double crochet, this is your back bump like this. So repeat the process. As I have completed chaining, I have completed doing half double crochet all over the chain. Now chain one and turn your work. Now over here you will also see the back bumps. You will also see the back bumps over here, these below the chains. So do half double crochet into them as well, like this. These back bumps are below your chain. Now repeat the same process. Make a very large rectangle. So this rectangle, starting from here, this rectangle will go all the way from here. This should cover your half cover from here to the back side, to this portion, this and this. Make it that large. So I will make the rectangle. So after that I will meet you. So as you can see I have made this long rectangle. So now check कि ये आपकी बुक की लेंथ के अकॉर्डिंग बराबर आ रहा है या नहीं. सो इसका जो आधा पोर्शन है ये आपको बुक के अंदर रखना है, लाइक दिस, एंड चेक लाइक दिस. लाइक दिस. अभी ये आपको काम लग रहा होगा बिकॉज आई हैव टू डू बॉर्डर्स नाउ. Firstly, I will join this. सो मैंने दोनों साइड से ये सिव कर लिया है ये पाउच. सो लेट्स सी. So for making the border, we will use yellow color yarn. Insert your yellow yarn at the corner. Now chain 2. Now you have to do 5 double crochets into the single stitch and then slip stitch into the next. So I am making the 5 double crochets in single stitch. Now this is my last double crochet. Now slip stitch into the next stitch. Now repeat the same pattern all the way till the end. Chain 2, 5 double crochets in the same stitch and then slip stitch into the next stitch. We will be making this all around except this region. We will make this in this region. Make same borders on the other side. So as you can see, I have completed making the borders all over. This turned out so cute. Now for the finishing touch, I am going to be writing Al Quran on that cover. So for that I am using yellow color yarn. So Al Quran लिखने के लिए हमें आई कॉर्ड्स बनाने हैं. So for making I chords, take the yarn, divide it into the two pieces, make sure that the one is 3 times the other. So जो बड़ा वाला हिस्सा है आपका जहाँ से yarn अटैच है वहाँ से आपको slip knot बनाना है. So I am making a slip knot over here. Now you can see the way I holded the yarn. Use a tiny hook. I am inserting a tiny hook for making I cord. Now as you can see, जो ये angle बन रहा है, you have to insert your hook in between them and grab your yarn that is beneath the other. So do exactly like I am doing. You have 2 loops on your hook and then grab the second yarn like usually you do a single crochet. Grab it through the both loops. This is the first stitch of your I cord. Now repeat the same process as you see me doing and make your I cords. Make 2 of a suitable length and other a bit long, whatever you have to write over here. So I have made these all pieces. Now I will adjust them accordingly and give shape to them. So I am using fabric glue over here to join them together and giving them a shape of Al Quran. As you can see, I have written the Al Quran. Now as you can see, the white fabric glue is still visible, but don't worry, this will go away with time as it dries away. So now for the dots I am using some pearls for the dots. Now let it dry and your Quran cover is ready.